Hello friends, let us learn our poem number 4, Strawberries. You must have tasted it and it is very juicy, isn't it? And if you haven't tasted it or seen it, there are so many strawberries on page number 7. Now let us see the poem. First stanza. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Plump means having a full round shape and juicy means full of juice. Spring means the season after winter and vine means it is a kind of a creeper, a climbing plant, and it is a plant of grapevine. The strawberries which are grown in the garden are plump and juicy, and wise men think that they are sweeter more than woodland wine. There is a wine, grape wine in the woodland. Woodland means full of trees. That place or the place is full of trees. So in that place a vine is there. So these strawberries are more sweeter and plump than these wines or than these fruits. Second stanza. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. Pluck, pluck means quickly remove. Means as we pluck some flowers or some fruits, that action is called pluck. And when we like strawberries and it is fresh, plump and juicy, we don't need any kind of bowl or silver spoon. We can eat as it is, means we can eat fresh strawberries without any sugar, spice or cream. Spice means sometimes we can add some spices as we use in cooking. But when strawberries are tasty, we don't need anything to add in it. And that another wild berry is mentioned here, and where it is beside the trickling stream. Trickling stream means a small stream, and when it is plucked in June. So in this way we have learned this poem. Now let us see its exercise. Question 2. First, which are the two different places where strawberries grow? The answer is gardens and woodland. What are the two different ways of eating strawberries? As I said, if the strawberries are juicy and plump, we can eat directly or to eat with sugar or spice or cream. Question 3. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? The answer is strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy. Fourth, which strawberries are sweeter? The answer is strawberries that grow in woodland vine are sweeter. Question number 5. How would you like to eat your strawberries? You can write your own opinion here. If you like to eat with cream, you can write it as I have written it here. Question 3. These are the activities. Now I am telling its meaning. Find out when and where we get strawberries in Maharashtra. Means where we get strawberries in Maharashtra. Second, make a list of your favorite fruits and vegetables and note down the time of the year when they are available in plenty. In plenty means in much quantity. Question 3. Have you ever eaten any fruit or vegetable? Picking it straight from the tree or field, write about that experience in 3 to 5 lines. If we take the examples of strawberries or any other fruit, have you eaten it directly from the farm? So you should write that experience here. In this way, we have finished the exercise 2. Listen the explanation again and understand it. Thank you.